Our clients envisioned the project as a generational home for their own children, grandparents, and greater family in general. It was important to incorporate and interpret aspects of Chilean and Japanese design philosophies into the project. After much collaboration and iteration, the home was resolved as a series of pavilions, interlocking with the landscape, allowing the site to flow through the built forms. Increasing the length of the building envelope and threshold, the floor plan remained simple programmatically while creating many experientially unique and flexible spaces. The lower levels have been settled into the land, reflected materially by the use of Petersen bricks as the cladding. These handmade bricks maintain a human feel and scale, detailed to create solid, continuous planes both inside and out. While at the entranceway the wall planes are almost continuous, this deprivation of the view dissolves as you move within the home, the bricks reducing to small wing walls set between joinery. Above the brick base walls are rich timber-clad forms containing the more private family spaces. Using Show Sugi band to treat the exterior timber added texture and detail, creating a velvet cloak, the soft timber full of warmth and texture. In collaboration with our clients and the very talented team from Bespoke Interior Design, the kitchen, bathrooms, and interiors were developed using contrast and layering, highlighting the strength and beauty of each element and material. Here's a look at the plan. Concrete and timber provide the backdrop, green marble with smoked timber cabinetry, rich walnut against white marble, organic linens and paper lanterns with steel balustrades. The kitchen and bathroom designs were deceptively simple in shape, creating elemental carved blocks of both dark emerald green and white stone. The selected colors mirror the natural landscape in the stunning vistas beyond. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.